How do you reconcile this with Charcot's theory? If her mind had been divided, why would remembering the traumatic incident relieve a symptom? The darkened part would still go on producing wild ideas.
No, Charcot is mistaken. Trauma does not divide the mind as an axe splits a log. It only causes the memory of the incident to be struck off from consciousness.
But how can unconscious memories create symptoms?
Because they are surrounded by emotions that cannot find their natural outlet through consciousness. If you are overcome by grief, you shed tears. Angry, you strike a blow. Frightened, you run. The emotion aroused in you is discharged in physical action. But what happens if the emotion is dammed up, strangulated? There's a fire in the fireplace, but the chimney is blocked. Fire doesn't go out, it smolders, and smoke fills the room, hallways, the entire house, and finally it leaks out through a pantry window. A morbid symptom is only emotional energy coming out the wrong place. Freud, what do you think?
I think a door has been opened. I think you've made a discovery as important as Pasteur's. He isolated the germ. You have isolated the pathogenic member.